Hello children, welcome back to Class of Physics by Ashish Sharma sir. Today we will be dealing with the new topic, redistribution of charges. Here redistribution of charges we will be taking between the two isolated conductors, right? I have drawn the diagram. Two conductors are there, A and B, positively charged. Q1 and Q2 are their respective charges. C1 and C2 are their respective capacitances. And V1 and V2 we are taking their respective potentials. When we join these conductor with a thin wire, what will happen? There will be redistribution of charges from one conductor to another, right? And that redistribution will be from higher potential to lower potential. ठीक है, ये जो redistribution होगा, ये charges will start flowing कहाँ से कहाँ पर? Higher potential से lower potential की तरफ. ये हम शुरू से पढ़ते आए हैं. And this redistribution is actually also known as sharing of charges. और ये जो sharing of charges होगा कब तक? जब तक इनका potential equal ना हो जाए. During this redistribution also the total charge Q1 plus Q2 will remain constant. This follows conservation of charges. Okay. कितना होना? तो ये जो total common potential, it should be equal to total charge upon total capacitance, right? If we write this with V, total charge is Q1 plus Q2 upon total capacitance C1 plus C2, right? What about Q1 and Q2? That Q1 and Q2 we can write Q is equal to CV. So from there C1 V1 and Q2 will be equal to C2 V2. We will substitute that value here. So V will become C1 V1 plus C2 V2 upon C1 plus C2, right? This is the relation which we are getting for common potential. Okay. Now we will see after redistribution of charges, जब हमको ये common potential मिल गया, charges भी change हो गए, conductors पे, दोनों conductors पे अलग अलग charge आ जाएंगे. हम ये ले लें कि Q1 dash and Q2 dash be the charges on conductors A and B respectively after redistribution. ओके, हम क्या लिख सकते हैं फिर? Q1 dash is equal to C1V and Q2 dash is equal to C2V. Okay, if we take the ratio Q1 dash upon Q2 dash, that will give you C1 upon C2. So the relation which we are getting is this, that is the ratio of charges after redistribution on the two conductors is equal to ratio of the corresponding capacitances, right? So children, we will be taking the next topic now. Just we have seen redistribution of charges, but during this redistribution or sharing of charges we see कि energy का loss भी होता है. वो energy का loss कितना होगा sharing of charges से, वो हमको find करना है, right? So if we take two conductors once again having charges Q1 Q2, capacitances C1 and C2, and we have seen also कि the conservation of charges holds good in this situation. So if we apply conservation of charges, तो total charge दोनों conductors को join करने के पहले और दोनों conductor को join करने के बाद same होना चाहिए. So charge होता है Q is equal to CV. So we will see C1 V1 plus C2 V2 equal to C1 V plus C2 V. क्योंकि ज्वाइन करने के बाद पोटेंशियल तो V हो गया दोनों के केस में, तो यहाँ से हमको मिल जाएगा C1 V1 plus C2 V2 equal to C1 plus C2 into V. The common potential which we will be getting is C1 V1 plus C2 V2 upon C1 plus C2. This is the common potential which we are getting. Okay, now we have to find out loss in energy. जब हम कह रहे हैं कि एनर्जी लॉस हो रही है, ओके, ये हमने पहले से मानकर यदि हम चलते हैं कि लॉस हो रही है, दैट मीन्स जो इनिशियल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होगी दैट शुड बी मोर देन दी फाइनल. तो हम पहले इनिशियल निकाल दें. सो एनर्जी, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी बिफोर ज्वाइनिंग और कंबाइनिंग दी conductors will be equal to, say, U initial, how much? Half C1 V1 square plus half C2 V2 square, right? And then यदि हम उसको ज्वाइन कर देते हैं तब पोटेंशियल एनर्जी आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग the conductors, U final equal to half, अब कितना हो गया, C1 plus C2 V square, half CV square plus half C2 V square. V square will directly take common. We will substitute value here. U final we are getting half C1 plus C2. V की वैल्यू यहां से सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देते हैं. C1 V1 plus C2 V2 upon C1 plus C2 whole square. So this we will get U final half. This will become square. We will cancel with this one. So we are left with C1 V1 plus C2 V2 whole square upon C1 plus C2, right? This is number 1, this is number 2, right? अब loss in energy, loss in energy, that is del U suppose equal to U initial minus U final. Substitute values. U initial we have half C1 V1 square plus half C2 V2 square minus this half C1 V1 plus C2 V2 whole square upon C1 plus C2. When you solve this, del U you will be getting is, you will be getting say C1 C2 V1 minus V2 whole square upon 2 C1 plus C2. Just simplify this and we will be getting this result. Okay, this is the energy loss during redistribution of charges. अब एनर्जी लॉस हो रहा है, ये आप कैसे देखेंगे? You can see on the right hand side C1 C2 are the capacitance of the capacitors, positive values, but here you see V1 minus V2, it is having power square. So this del U is positive. Why? In both the cases, either V1 is greater than V2 or V2 is greater than V1. दोनों ही केस में आपको ये वैल्यू पॉजिटिव मिलने वाली है. क्यों मिलने वाली है? क्योंकि यदि V1 ग्रेटर है तो ये पॉजिटिव वैल्यू आएगी, और यदि V2 ग्रेटर है तो ये वैल्यू नेगेटिव होगी, बट स्क्वायर विल मेक इट पॉजिटिव. सो सिंस वी आर गेटिंग दिस del U इज पॉजिटिव, इसका मतलब जो फाइनल एनर्जी है वो कम है, जब तो हमको del U पॉजिटिव मिला है. del U इज इनिशियल माइनस फाइनल एनर्जी. इनिशियल ज़्यादा होगी, फाइनल कम होगी, और फाइनल कम हो गई है, इसका मतलब एनर्जी का लॉस हुआ है. देयरफॉर वी कैन से देयर इज लॉस इन एनर्जी ड्यूरिंग redistribution of the charges, right? This finishes with this topic. Thank you everyone. We will come with few more concepts in the next videos. Thank you.